JEE Main 2026 NTA clarifies calculators not allowed, calls mentioned in brochure a typographical error. Gurukul, the school hosts prestigious the Pentagram 2025 Equestrian Championship in Ghaziabad. MICA launches 25-week social media influencer programs for aspiring digital creators. Delhi High Court ends attendance detention rule for law students, orders BCI to reform norms after Rohilla case. Canada tightens student visa rules, rejection rate for Indian applications soared off 74%. The National Testing Agency (NTA) has clarified that calculators, virtual or physical, will not be allowed in the JEE Main 2026 exam, calling their earlier mention in the information bulletin a typographical error. The on-screen calculator shown in the computer-based test interface is part of generic exam platform and will not be available for JEE aspirants. NTA apologized for the confusion and inconvenience that has caused. Registration for JEE Main 2026 Session 1 is open at jeemain.nta.nic.in until November 27. Session 1 will be held from January 21 to 30 and Session 2 from April 2 to 9. Candidates can choose up to 4 exam cities with the total number of centers expanded from 284 to 323 to reduce scheduling conflicts with CBSE Class 12 exams. Gurukul, the school Ghaziabad, through its Gurukul Horse Riding Club, successfully hosted the 7th edition of Pentagram 2025 on November 1 in collaboration with Equestrian Federation of India and Uttar Pradesh State Equestrian Association, celebrated as one of the North India's premier equestrian event. It showcased discipline, excellence and sportsmanship. Elite teams from armed forces, police, parliamentary units, Indian Navy and top schools nationwide participated. The event was graced by H.E. Sheikh Ahmed bin Nu, A.I. Tani, H.E. Muhammad Hassan, J.A.I. Jabir and Dr. Narinder Dhruv Batra. Exceptional performance and spirited competition marked the championship success. The school director reaffirmed Gurukul's commitment to nurturing talent and promoting equestrian excellence among youth. The Mudra Institute of Communication, Ahmedabad, has launched a 25-week online social media influencer program to train aspiring and established digital creators in personal branding, content strategy, and emerging technologies like generative AI. Designed to meet the growing needs of India's creator economy, part of $250 billion global industry. The course blends academic insights with real-world applications, led by MICA Professor Dr. Falguni Vaswada, Professor Siddharth Deshmukh, and featuring industry experts like Virat Seth of Monk Entertainment. And the program includes masterclass on media training and growth strategy. 5 participants will earn paid internship with Monk Entertainment, priced at rupees 1,500,000 plus GST. The fully online course begins on December 28, 2025 with modules on monetization, algorithm and audience engagement. In a landmark judgment, the Delhi High Court ruled that no law student in India can be barred from examinations or promotion due to attendance shortage, ending the long-standing detention rule. The bench of Justices Pratibha M. Singh and Amit Sharma directed the Bar Council of India to review and modify attendance norms through stakeholders' consultations with students, teachers and parents. The ruling follows the 2016 suicide of law student Sushant Rohilla, who was barred from exam for low attendance. The court stressed that the education must not cause mental distress or loss of life. Law colleges must now upload weekly attendance online, alert parents monthly and offer extra classes to help students meet attendance criteria, ensuring transparency and well-being. Canada's tougher student visa policies have hit Indian applicants hardest, with a record of 74% rejection rate in August 2025, up from 32% in 2023, while overall international refusal stood at 40%. Ottawa has reduced study permits for a second year to curb fraud and temporary migration. Indian applications fell sharply from 20,900 in 2023 to 4,515 in 2025. Authorities uncovered over 1,550 fake acceptance letters from India and detected 14,000 potentially fraudulent cases globally in 2024, prompting stricter verification and higher financial requirements. Diplomatic tension between Canada and India persists amid declining Indian enrollments at major universities. Immigration advisors report intensified scrutiny, and many Indian students are reconsidering Canada, once seen as a clear path from study to permanent residency.